Ancient dinosaur fossils reveal lost flight ability. Paleontologists, studying remarkably preserved 160-million-year-old fossils of Anchiornis huxleyi, a feathered dinosaur from China, have discovered evidence that some dinosaurs evolved feathers without retaining the ability to fly. This finding challenges previous assumptions about the linear progression of flight in dinosaurs and modern birds, revealing a more complex evolutionary history. The complexity of flight evolution. For decades, scientists believed feathers primarily developed for flight. The new research suggests that feathers may have initially served other purposes, such as insulation or display, with flight evolving independently in some dinosaur lineages, only to be lost again in others. This is not unlike modern flightless birds like ostriches and penguins, which retain feathers but lack the ability to soar. The discovery centers around 9 exceptionally preserved Anchiornis huxleyi fossils from the late Jurassic Teojocene Formation. These fossils, unusually, retain the original coloration of the wing feathers, white with black tips. This allowed researchers to examine not just the structure of the feathers, but also how they were shed and replaced, a process known as molting. Molting patterns, as a key indicator, molting patterns are crucial. Birds that rely on flight molt feathers gradually and symmetrically, ensuring they can still fly during the process. In contrast, flightless birds exhibit more chaotic, irregular molting. The researchers found that the Anchiornis huxleyi fossils displayed the latter pattern. New feather growth was not aligned with the existing wing structure, indicating a lack of functional flight capability. Based on my familiarity with modern birds, I identified a molting pattern indicating that these dinosaurs were probably flightless, stated Tel Aviv University paleontologist Yosef Kayet, lead author of the study. The team used the preserved feather coloration to confirm new feathers were growing in disarray. Implications for understanding dinosaur evolution. This finding is significant because it demonstrates that the evolution of flight was not a simple, forward-moving progression. Dinosaurs split from other reptiles roughly 240 million years ago, and feathers began to emerge soon after. By 175 million years ago, the Penaraptora lineage, the ancestors of modern birds, had developed feathers, but some species within that group evidently lost their flight capability. The study, published in Communications Biology, underscores that natural selection isn't always about improvement. Sometimes, traits are lost when they no longer provide a survival advantage. Anchiornis huxleyi now joins other feathered, flightless dinosaurs, reinforcing the idea that wing evolution was far more diverse and dynamic than previously understood. This research highlights how even seemingly minor details, like feather molting patterns, can reshape our understanding of ancient life.